Hey, check it out. I did a safety meeting yesterday, and the first thing they said in the safety meeting was, don't fry turkey in your garage. Well, let me tell y'all something. I'm frying it right here on the kitchen counter inside. I'm in Alaska, if you don't know. It's cold. It's pretty cold. Come look at it. Come here. It's pretty damn cold in Alaska. Fairbanks. See this? Pretty cold. It's colder than a damn polar bear sliding down Worthington Glacier with his nuts shaved on his belly. Come on. All right, Dakota, come on. All right, anyway, let me get this cracking. So check it out. First thing you have to do, you gotta be an Eagles fan. Gotta eat, sleep, drink, Eagles. Alright. So anyway, the biggest mistake people make is buying a big ass turkey.
Your mom said you crazy.
With too much oil in the fryer. This is an electric fryer, so peep game. You get you a small turkey, about 10, 11 pounds, alright? Don't try and get no damn full-grown baby, no damn 22-pound turkey. If you need that much damn turkey, just buy 2 small 10-pound turkeys.
Someone says he missed y'all's parties.
What's up, dog? Oh yeah, you know how we do. You know how we do. All right, so I got this set to like 270 right now. All right. Another mistake that people make is trying to fry a frozen ass turkey. That don't work. That's a bomb. You're a terrorist in your kitchen if you do that. But all right, so this turkey I marinated it last night. Actually, I injected it with some Creole butter. Let me show y'all what that looks like. This is good stuff right here. Where'd it go, man? Here we go. This is pretty damn good. You inject your turkey overnight. Let it sit overnight with this stuff right here. All right, this is the bacon one, but I use Creole butter, and it's good as hell. Take your turkey out first thing in the morning. Let it get room temperature. All right. Don't be a terrorist in the kitchen with your frozen turkey. All right. So it's already at not room temperature. This is already at like 370 right now. So, all right, I'm gonna drop this right now. All right. And be patient. You gotta have patience. You gotta drop this pretty slow. All right. Or you're gonna be looking like damn Charlotte Ranks or Freddy Krueger, burnt the hell up. All right, got a little sizzle going. So have some patience. Just let that sit right there for a second. All right, looking good. All right, continue. Slow and easy. Patience. I tried to do this in my garage a few years ago. Ended up being -10 in my garage. All my water bottles froze. All right, so you're still doing good. And continue to drop. Continue to drop. Slow and easy. It's cooling off the grease too a little bit, so it's actually good in a sense. All right. And there you have it. Submerged, deep fried turkey on the counter. And you want to cook this turkey probably around 50 minutes, 55 minutes.
Put your food in there?
Yep. And I'm gonna actually turn this up to 375, sorry. Put one. And there you have it. Then you want to cook the turkey to 160, 180 poultry, something like that. Anyway, we'll figure it out as we go. Is my thermometer going to leave in here?
She didn't want it more.
All right. Just want to say Thanksgiving, everybody. And Go, Philly. Peace.